Life's better when you're close to the action, and 1102 South Jefferson delivers. Located right in the heart of Hastings, this charming home is just a stone's throw from downtown, parks, and schools. Whether it's a quick coffee run or a spontaneous day out, you'll love how effortlessly everything falls into place here. This home has that timeless charm that never goes out of style. Gorgeous hardwood floors, a classic staircase, and plenty of natural light make it the kind of place that instantly feels inviting. The kitchen and dining area are practical and ready for everyday life. Whether you're whipping up dinner or hosting friends, there's plenty of space to make it work. Out back, the fenced-in yard gives you privacy, while the deck is perfect for cookouts or just soaking up some fresh air. And then there's the garage. It's not your average two-stall garage. With a wood stove, it's ready to be your workshop, hangout spot, or anything else you can imagine. And here's the cherry on top, a sauna in the basement. Whether you're looking to relax after a long day or warm up on a cold Michigan evening, this feature is a game changer. 1102 South Jefferson is the kind of home you don't come across every day. Ready to see it in person? Let's make it happen. Reach out to me today.